Today we are going to be reviewing the Curve Case Pressed. Okay? So I need my hair out of the way so you guys can really see how great this product is. Okay, so my hair is out the way. We're gonna get straight into it. Get ready to eat because it's going to be meaty. If you have not seen my video where I do my review for the Curve Case cream, I'm gonna link it here for you guys to see. This is such a great product, and I'm honestly, if I show you, she is so abused and battered. Just recently came up with the powder, which is the pressed powder, the same name and the same shade. So this is how it looks like. So this is the one I'm going to be reviewing to you. And I think this is such a great product to have in your kit when you're traveling, because you have blush, you have contour, you have bronzer. You could even use this as eyeshadow. When I reviewed the cream, I did a lip combo with this one. So I am going to show you how you can work with both of them, but I'm mainly going to be focusing on this one. You can now get the Curve Case on TikTok Shop. I feel like on TikTok Shop, it's actually quite cheaper, to be honest, than if you buy it on the website. I will link below on my TikTok shop where you can get it and stuff, because I got mine for £15, and right now there is like a sale going on. I have the same shades as the press, so it's pretty much the same with the press. That's why he says it goes together. So I am going to use the same cream blush that I am going to use when I use the pressed powder. Cherry Cola, which is more of a pinky color, like this one at the end. It is, and it's such a gorgeous shade. So I use the Curve Case Deep, okay, and I also got the Curve Case Deep in the pressed version. So if you want to skip, you can skip to where I do start revealing the pressed powder, but I want to show you how you could use these together. But obviously I feel like you can choose which one you want to buy. To start off with blush, after then we'll do the contour and the bronzer. Obviously she's brand new, she's new to the game, and she's fabulous. Same colors just as the cream. Most people are saying it's not pigmented, but I'm gonna swatch it for you. Got Mango Daiquiri, which is more of an orange color. Where's the SPF, which is like one of my favorite. Look at that, look at her. Cowlick, this is Cowlick. Bear in mind, I've super moisturized my hand. These are very pigmented right now. Cherry Cola, which is the one I've got on right now. So these are the 4 blush shades, which are cute. And now I'm going to swatch the bronzer and contour shades. So we're going to start off with Chocolate Charm. And this is Chocolate Charm right at the bottom. Shade and Laid. The names are funny as heck. Shade and Laid is this one right here. Blend and Snatch. This is Blend and Snatch, which is my favorite. It's like I think a mixture of a contour and a bronzer. A Rituation, which is a much more deeper, darker contour powder. So these are the 4 shades on my hands, and not very pigmented. I absolutely love them. So I'm gonna start off with the Cherry Cola. Okay, I like to put blush first and then I will contour after. So whoever is saying this is not pigmented, you're playing with yourself. It's a nice pinky shade that just looks absolutely brilliant on a dark skin tone. And if you're darker than me, get the deeper dark. Okay, look at her. Then I'm going in with the Mango Daiquiri, and I'm just gonna place, look at that. I'm gonna mix and place them together, and I'm just moving it to the, like that. That's just creating a nice cocktail brush, right? Just doing the same also on this one. I like to put blush on my nose and a bit on my forehead. It's just something, oh, I just mixed the one that I usually, something that I like to do. You ain't gotta do what I do, you know. So you could also just mix around the blushes if you want. This is chef's kiss. Right, let's get into the bronzer. Okay, with bronzer, usually with the cream, I will go in with Blend and Snatched, which is this one right here. But I won't usually go this side as much. I usually just go in with the chocolate cream and shade and laid because I want to be warmed up. So I feel like these ones are the warmer bronzers, you know, so I just mix those. Okay, so honestly, these definitely go so much better together. And obviously on my jawline, I will go a little bit darker because I'm trying to get that contour with that Blend and Snatched, because that's what I like on my nose. So you can just play around. Listen, makeup is about fun. It's have fun with it. Play around, test and try. This is that review that I have been wanting to show you guys. I genuinely think when you got these products, like both of them, you're gonna lessen your makeup kit. And if you're a makeup artist or aspiring makeup artist, or even not a makeup artist, you are not gonna carry a lot, honestly. So I'm gonna go in with this brown shade and I'm gonna use it as a contour just to kind of curve out my crease on my eye. And also obviously with the cream, you could do like a contoured lip. And we're also gonna put this brown underneath my eye. And then you have an eyeshadow look, which is simple, which is cute. Let me finish up this look and we're gonna talk about it. So I have finished up my look. I have sprayed. I ended up just putting mascara on. I didn't do anything else. I used the H&B Cosmetics number 8 and number 10 liner to just go around my lips, and then I used the Valentino Spike. Is it Spike? Yeah, I think it's called Spike Valentino, and it's in the shade So Pretty as well. And then for the gloss, I use Makeup Revolution Pout Bomb Gloss, and this one's called Milky Sheer. This is called Milky, and it's such a gorgeous milky color. And then I use the Makeup Revolution Super Fix Super Hold Misting Spray. I didn't put any highlighter. I don't know, lately I'm not really that much into highlighter. I did use both of the curve case because they do work together and stuff. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Have you even got the actual normal curve case yet and tried it? And if you also have gotten the new curve case pressed, they work together. I absolutely love using them both. And that, look at that, like literally you have all-in-one products. Like imagine having like how many 16 little products in your kit, but it's all like wrapped up in one. And it's such a portable, like, you know, portable little package that you can just put in your makeup kit and go this is literally a makeup artist favorites. I was recently at a fashion shoot and I seen a lot of makeup artists with this and stuff, but even if you're not a makeup girly, this is still pretty good together. These are my final thoughts. I don't have anything bad to say. They are pigmented. The price is actually pretty great. Like I said, look at my link in my description below. Get it on TikTok. It's so much cheaper. You get discounts as well if you're based in UK or US. But if you're not, you can get it on the website. But that means you're gonna have to pay the full price. And I'm trying to help you save some coin, baby. 30 pounds. I don't know, I think it's $30 in America as well. So honestly, do get this for yourself. It's super easy to use. If you struggled with the cream, you got this. Powder is easier. Some people skip the cream, blushes and contours, and they just want to use the powder because they're easy to use. So if you struggled with it, definitely get this. But if you want the best of both worlds, get them both. Okay, $15, £15, and also you can get it at Boots, but that means you're just gonna have to pay more for it. Okay, so I hope this video was very informative. I love it. I love how inclusive it is, that it's catering to really fair people, to really dark skinned people. That is so good, and that's what most people are crying about, that, oh, it's not too dark. You know, he's really is doing the work to actually be inclusive with his shades and the range and whatnot. That's why I love Made by Mutual so much. Honestly, when it comes to the curve cases, I'm still yet to try some of his products. But yeah, I hope you guys found this very helpful. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know your comments below. And if you've not hit the subscribe button, hit the subscribe button and join the community. I'll see you guys in the next video.